The problem that I'm choosing is from Crossing the River with Dogs, and it is found on page 21. A worm is at the bottom of a 12-foot wall. Every day, the worm crawls up 3 feet, but at night it slips down 2 feet. How many days does it take the worm to get to the top of the wall? So this problem is asking me to figure out the amount of days that the worm will take to crawl up 12 feet, but I have to account for the amount of feet that it crawls up each day, which is 3 feet, and it also slips 2 feet at night. So I think that the best way to solve this problem for me is to use a visual representation. And so I'm going to draw a wall. And basically draw it out each time he crawls and each time he falls so that I can see it. So on day 1, he's going to crawl up 3 feet. And that same night, he is going to fall 2 feet. And 3 minus 2 is 1. On day 2, he's going to crawl up an additional 3 feet, right there. And 3 plus 1 is 4. And that night, he is going to fall 2 feet and end up right there. As for the third day, he's going to start at 2 feet and go up 3 feet, which is 5 feet. And then he is going to slip 2 feet. He's going to end up right there. So I'm beginning to notice a pattern that each day the net amount of feet that he crawls up is 1 foot each day. So I'm just going to confirm it by doing it one more time. So on day 4, he's starting from 3 feet, and 3 feet plus 3 is 6. He's going to fall 2 feet during that night, and he's going to end up 4 feet. So there you have it. The pattern holds. And right now I'm going to do a chart so that I can finish this problem. Now that I have seen a pattern. So on day 1, he went up 3 feet. On day 2, he ended up 4 feet. He ended up at 4 feet of the 12-foot wall. Day 3, 5 feet. Day 4, 6 feet. And this is where we will do our pattern for the remaining days. So if it's going up each day by 1 foot, if he's crawling up each day by 1 foot, it's going to be 7 feet. On day 6, 8 feet. On day 7, 9 feet. Day 8, 10 feet. On the 9th day, he will reach 11 feet up the wall, and on day 10, it seems like he will get to the top of the wall. So it's going to take him 10 days to crawl to the top of the wall. So the worm right here finally gets there on day 10, and that looks to be the answer. So I would say that the solution that I used, my strategy was helpful because mapping it out helped me to see each day, and not only visually by going up, but also seeing the numbers represented. And I was quickly able to establish a pattern and finish the problem. So those strategies really worked, and I would definitely choose it again to find the answer, which was it'd take him 10 days to crawl up the wall.